If you learned HSK books, probably you noticed Jiù doesn't specific talk about the usage in these books. So in this video, I summarized 4 common uses of Jiù. Let's check out. First, we have to know the basic meaning of Jiù, to come near, to approach. Jiù is as an adverb in HSK2 indicating a short period of time, close distance, nearly a currency of action. Let's see some examples.
服务员，我点的宫保鸡丁什么时候好？马上就好。
Because the customer wishes to get the food faster, so 就 in the sentence emphasizes the short of time, 马上好, which means that the customer will get her food in very short time.
哎，你哥哥还在上学吗？没有，我哥哥去年就工作了。
Jiù in the sentence emphasizes the early occurrence of action, work, 工作, and from the early years, last year, 去年。我家就在公园旁边。我家就在公园旁边。Jiù emphasizes the location is very close 我家 with 公园 comparing the sentence 我家在公园旁边 we add 就 in the sentence can highlight the tone of the closeness 就在公园旁边。When we are in the early stage of HSK learning, we will learn that Jiù is used to express a simple cause and effect relationship or to emphasize specific situations. When Jiù expresses emphasis, it emphasizes a perfect match or mismatch with a certain standard. Let's see some examples. 小明就是我的中文老师。小明就是我的中文老师。In this sentence, 就 serves as a conjunction verb, and 就是 emphasizes 小明 identity, my Chinese teacher, 我的中文老师。
哎，听说你昨天遇到你的前男友了？对呀，哎，如果我不去那个聚会，我就不会遇到他了。
Due to attending the party, the result was meeting the ex-boyfriend. From the dialogue above, we can see that 就 can replace 因为 something, 所以 something to express an cause and effort relationship. Especially in spoken language, when people talk about in person, communication is more direct and is involved more details. So using 就 allows for a simpler and quicker conveyance of information. As an adverb, 就 can also be used to indicating the scope of things, emphasizing that there is nothing else. It's used before noun or pronoun. We could translate it as only or beside. 我们班就小明会说中文。别人都不会。我们班就小明会说中文，别人都不会。In the sentence within the scope of our class, 我们班 we emphasizes that only 小明 can speak Chinese. 小明会说中文 and others don't possess this ability. So we use 就 before the unique situation. 小明会说中文 to emphasize it. 全家人就我没吃饭。全家人就我没吃饭。Here, 就 also emphasized within the scope of having had a meal. 吃了饭 I haven't eaten. 我没吃饭 is the unique situation. This usage belongs to HSK 5 level. If you find a little bit challenge at the moment, more practice needed for better understanding. In spoken language, 就 could indicate a relatively small or large quantity. Sometimes it may carry on a tone of dissatisfaction, surprise, or emphasis. This usage typically appears at HSK 4 level. 他就带了1块钱，当然不能打的了。他就带了1块钱，当然不能打的了。Jiù in the sentence emphasizes the small amount of money he bought, only 1块钱. Therefore, he can't afford to take a taxi. 一顿饭他就吃了5碗。一顿饭他就吃了5碗。In this case, Jiù highlights that he managed to eat 5 bowls of rice in just 1 meal, which is quite a lot. Jiù emphasizes that he ate a lot within the time for a meal, 一顿饭的时间。The above are common uses of the word 就 in HSK I summarized. If you need advanced usage, welcome to message to me. See you next time. Bye bye.